Guys, I have you propped up on my toaster in my kitchen at the moment. It is Tuesday 30th of May. It's currently at 1:15. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, on Sunday was the last time I vlogged, and I think I mentioned in that we went out for lunch. I think I overdid it. Sorry, I just had to wait for the coffee machine to quieten down so I could talk. Yeah, I think I overdid it on Sunday because I've been a bit sore since then. I have come off my instant pain meds now, and today is so I finished having them on Sunday. Actually, I was meant to finish them on Saturday, but I ended up needing some on Sunday because I was too sore. My short release ones ends tonight, so tonight's my last med of them and my last anti-inflammatory as well. So I'm not sure if it's because I'm not having as much pain meds now that I'm feeling a little bit more pain, but I have actually had like a severe reaction to the adhesive, and my whole tummy, where any of those square bandages were, they're like covered in like a blister rash, and it's so itchy and it's like hot to touch. So I have to keep putting like cold packs on my stomach and everything, and I've also been putting chamomile lotion on the areas that I can. Nothing super close to where my incisions are because I don't want to, you know, cause any issues there. I was meant to be able to take the steri strips off yesterday or today, but we're thinking of leaving them on for a few more days just until we see if my tummy can like settle down a little bit before taking them off. The belly button one is the one that we were most concerned about because it is in a crease because I am plus size. So yeah, that is the one that we were all concerned about because that one can get infections because of it being in a crease. But I've just been trying to lay down as much as possible and prevent getting like any heat rush there or anything like that. And obviously it's nice and cold here at the moment, so that's been helping as well. But yeah, that's pretty much where I am with my surgery right now. I'm still not allowed to do anything. So I think on the paperwork it said I was like not allowed to do anything for like 4 weeks. And I think it's 8 to 10 weeks before I can lift anything heavier than 5 kilos. So I can't lift any of my dogs because Macy's like 5.5 kilos. Oliver's like 6 kilos and Evie's like 9 kilos. So I can't lift any of them or anything like that. So I'm really struggling with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My stomach is covered in bruises. I think it was about Thursday, Friday last week, my stomach just like popped up in bruises everywhere. But that's like normal because of what they've done inside. But yeah, my stomach is basically one massive like bruise and blister rash everywhere. So my poor tummy is going through it. But I'm still feeling pretty good for everything that's been going on. I'm still wearing just like nighties or dresses and like crop tops so that I've got a little bit of support, but like I'm not uncomfortable, and I don't want anything tight on my stomach, so I'm wearing like underwear that's like a size bigger so that nothing's like really tight and so it doesn't hurt or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I have been having Tina come over to help do some like cleaning, like washing. She just cleaned my ensuite for me yesterday, because we need to make sure that everything's like kept up, that it's nice and clean, like anything that I'm touching, like my clothes, my towels, the bathroom and stuff, because I have a history of always getting infections. Because I have no immune system. So yeah, we're like doing absolutely everything to prevent it. So it's probably going to be overboard, but we're just trying to prevent everything. I'm still using that antiseptic soap on my stomach as well to make sure that's completely clean, using a blow dryer to make sure all the sites are completely dry before getting dressed, and swapping out the towels every second day. So yeah, it's just all about me recovering at the moment. So the vlog's probably gonna be a bit boring. It's probably just gonna be me talking again. But this is good for people who are suffering with endo and they want to see what like recovery is looking like after a lap. Then, you know, they can follow along and see this. And that's the whole point of this, is to share my life with you guys, so you guys can see what it's like to live with endo, to have surgeries with endo, etc, etc. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Thursday, the 1st of June. I am 9 days post-op today. I'm feeling okay-ish today because of the severe allergic reaction I've had to all the adhesive. My stomach is quite sore and itchy from that. But otherwise, my actual scars are like healing really well. They're so tiny. My previous 2 endo surgeries are triple the size of the scars of my current ones. So it's amazing the difference between going through a proper specialist versus like a public doctor that doesn't deal with endo on like a daily basis. So that is one of the things I have noticed in the difference, but also like the care has been so much more this time round. So I'm really appreciative that I have been able to afford to go private. I did have to wait 12 months on my private health because it is a pre-existing condition, and I did also have to pay $3,500 out of pocket as well. But I think it was so well worth it with how I'm feeling. I'm a little bit sore right now because I have been sitting at the kitchen bench for a few hours, and I've noticed sitting up is still causing a little bit of discomfort. But for 9 days post-op, I'm doing pretty good. I have had a lot of bruises pop up over this last week because obviously they were in there for over 3 hours, so they explored everywhere. So yeah, bruises have been like randomly like popping up all over my stomach, especially my lower stomach. So it is, yeah, still a bit tender and everything, and obviously everything inside has been touched. That's going to be tender. I was told a month before I can sort of go back to like sort of normal stuff, and 8 to 10 weeks before I can go and like lift anything heavier than 5 kilos or go back to the gym, things like that. So yeah, I think I'm doing pretty good. But I wanted to jump on now. I did film this for last week's vlog, but I decided to wait, seeing as Courtney wasn't releasing it until next week. So I'm gonna try and plan to get this vlog up the day that they go live so I can show you guys. But I actually came home on Wednesday, 24th of May, and I had a PR parcel wedding from Centre of Attention Cosmetics. So this isn't my initial reaction to it because I am pre-filming it, but I did already have like a pre-look before I filmed the last one anyway. I'm actually wearing the product on my lips right now. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what she sent me. So I got a cute little note here. She restocked some of my faves. So she sent me the Glass Act Rosy lip gloss, one of my favorite shades. The eye primer in light beige, that's the shade that I use for my eyes. And the Finish Her setting spray, which is good because I am halfway through my setting spray already. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And then she sent me 3 of her new products. Now I think there is 10 being released. So the new products are the Oh La La lip oils. So this is what they look like. Super cute packaging. I love that it's all pink. So I am currently wearing one on my lips right now, which is this one, Candy Shop. So it just adds like a little tint of color. It's super glossy, super like plumping look. It doesn't have like a plumping effect or anything. I haven't noticed any tingling or anything, and I have been using it for the last week and I absolutely love it. So this one here, I reckon smells like Allen's Red Frogs. That's what it smells like. This is the shade Candy Shop. So this is what I am wearing right now. Then she also sent me Mango Sorbet. So this is the orange one. I mean, you can tell I've been loving this. Look, the difference. You see this one's already down here. Whoops, I've been using it a lot. My lips have been dry. So yeah, this is the Mango Sorbet one, and I reckon it smells like, I think it's called Weir, W-E-I-R, the Mango Sorbet that you get from like Coles and Woolies here in Australia. I reckon it smells exactly like that. It smells so delicious, so delicious. And then the last one that she sent me is Strawberry Sundae. And it is more of like a lighter pink. So Candy Shop is more like a dark one. This one's more like a clear effect. And this one here, I reckon it smells like the strawberry syrup on McDonald's like sundaes or their strawberry thick shakes. That's what I reckon this one smells like. So these are the new Oh La La lip oils. I love the name for them. And yeah, I absolutely love them. As I said, I've been using them for the last week. Absolutely amazing. I'll put the price up on the screen for you guys because she did just release the ad yesterday. Absolutely love the ad as well. If you haven't gone and seen it, go watch it because it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, I'm super excited about these, and I think I might have to grab some more scents or flavors because yeah, I don't think these are going to last me very long because I'm using them like 4 times a day. So yeah, I'm absolutely in love, and I want to say thank you so much to Courtney for sending me these. I love these products and I can't wait to get back into creating looks. As soon as I'm able to like sit down and not be like too uncomfortable, I'll definitely get back into creating some looks for you guys. But for now, I'm just using all my pre-filmed content and stuff so that you guys have some things whilst I'm recovering. Anyways, I'm gonna chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
Guys, I'm really sorry to say this, but I really don't think I can continue making content on TikTok. Psych.
I would take a bullet for you just to prove my love. Only to find out you are the one holding the gun.
Hey guys, a quick check-in. It is Sunday 4th of June right now. It's currently like 9 p.m. at night. I thought I would do a quick check-in because I haven't spoken to you guys since I think Thursday now. Morgan's in bed already. So he's annoyed that I'm doing this in bed. but I wanted to end out my vlog. I did go to the doctor's on Friday for my 10-day post-op checkup. It's now been 12 days. Everything's going really well. I do have more information and everything, but I think I'm going to update you guys in next week's vlog instead of this week's. Yeah, I'm going to put it in next week's vlog just because I haven't been feeling well the last few days. I've been just feeling a little bit off. Obviously, I have just had surgery, so it's probably just to do with that. But I've just been relaxing. There's nothing else I can do other than sit here and watch TV and play on my phone. So that's all I've been doing for the last few days. Friday was a long day because we had an appointment in Perth for Morgan, and then we had an appointment south for me for my 10-day post-op checkup. So it was a big day, so it could have been, I could be just like exhausted and worn out from that day. But yeah, otherwise I'm going to update you guys on everything in next week's vlog. But I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I'm going to try and get this up tomorrow, Monday, so that you guys can see Courtney's launch, because it is launching 8 PM Western Standard Time tomorrow. Anyways, I will chat to you guys in next week's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!